What's up, everybody? It's News Now, Ohio. All right, so got this in the mail today. It's the appeals for my wife for her contempt charge. There, unfortunately, we didn't get to talk to this appeals lawyer. She's she is arguing a few valid points. They're saying the court abused her. It's a discretion in finding her in contempt, which I already know that, but she didn't bring up the fact that they had no probable cause to even stop my wife or anything. But she's also arguing the fact that the own court ruling. This is the sign that's in the hallway. It says, the use of any cell phone, computer, electronic device, or other personal communication device is prohibited in the courtroom. Probation officer, clerk of all court's office, failure to turn off device referenced in this rule will result in having device, or will result in device being confiscated. Local rule number 23. And nowhere in this says, and that's one of her arguments, is that there is nothing in the record to suggest the appellant resisted the confiscation of her phone or that she failed to turn off the device upon being requested. As such, the trial court abused its discretion and found the appellant in contempt. That nowhere in the rule does it explain the disobedience of the rule could or would result in a finding of contempt. The order contemplates the confiscation of the device, not contempt charges. So, just like we all that, it's one of the things that points that we brought up. The only thing I wish she would have got a hold of us. We tried several times, and she only returned our call once, and we missed it. Tried to return, she wasn't there. But anyway, I wanted her to bring up the fact that they didn't even have probable cause to pursue any charges against my wife, which is, neither here nor there, but it's the start of the whole process, which invalidated it. Look at all the garbage in the backyard, guys, right there where the fence is open. It's like that all over that backyard from where the people who live there, the people that live there did it. And then all this garbage over here. And then even in my yard, it's blown in my yard everywhere. I mean, I'm out there all the time cleaning up garbage, but I haven't in the past few days because it's been snowing and rainy and muddy over there, and I don't want to go wading through mud to get up garbage. So as soon as it dries, I'll rake it up again for the 18th time every week. But so yeah, so we got her appeals. It says at the end that one was sent to a copy of this was sent to us and to the prosecutor. Here's what I don't understand is it's saying that right here that the incarceration that she got 180 days in Butler County Jail right there, and that 177 was suspended. What I don't get, I didn't even know contempt, I'm pretty sure only carries 30 days. I'm going to have to look that up, but I'm pretty damn sure contempt's a 30-day sentence max. So I don't even know where he got off charging with a 180-day sentence for a contempt. That's just nuts. So it is what it is, but I just wanted to let everybody know that we got the paperwork. It was filed the 20th of February in the Butler County Court of Appeals. That's pretty much it. Mary Kate Martin is our appellate court, or our appellate lawyer. So, we're going to see where this goes, She brought up several, aspects that she brought up the whole, the exact things that the judge was saying in the court. Like right here's what he said. The argument. Appellate was charged with indirect contempt pursuant to RC 27105 and presumably subsection A, disobedience of or resistance of lawful writ, order, rule, judgment, or command of the court or officer. During the plea hearing, the judge indicated that appellant was pleading no contest to the following facts. The facts that are set forth in this complaint are that you did on or about August 7th, you were using a cell phone in Hamilton Municipal Court during court proceedings and alleged the violation of the local court rule 23, and it was on inaudible. She couldn't hear it on the recording. So basically, the judge who they describe as the honorable Judge Gattemeyer, who, that's a matter of opinion. He can be a judge all he wants. In my eyes, he has to earn being called honorable, because very few are, and he's not one. He is definitely not an honorable person. So, and just because he has a robe on doesn't mean it, to me, in my eyes, don't make him honorable. Matter of fact, it usually makes them unhonorable, because they're tyrants and they're corrupt, and they feel that they can do whatever they want anytime they want to whoever the fucking hell they want. So in my eyes, that's the very definition of unhonorable. But anyway, I got a guy who in the comments, his name's Dwayne Smith. I wanted to say something to him, since he obviously knows me from when I lived down here on Vine Street back 20 years ago or so. He kept saying, well, I thought you lived down there on Vine at the bend in the corner around Desert Storm. No, if you remember me from Vine Street, that's when I had my kids. When I was in Desert Storm, I didn't have any kids. It was over a year before my first kid was born. Me and my wife and my kids lived on Vine Street there at the bend in 95 to 2000, around 2000. I was in the military. I got out December of 91, and I was in Desert Storm in 91. So get your timeline right. Get your timeline right. That's all I got to say. And again, I've never claimed to be a Navy SEAL. So I don't know where you guys keep getting this video from. I sure wish somebody post a link to this video that all these trolls keep saying I claim to be that, because I will surely post a retraction and an apology for being a liar. If you can bring up a video saying that I said I was a SEAL, I can't wait to. I would gladly get on my knees and apologize to everybody for being such a big liar. But that video don't exist, because it never happened. So anyway, that's all I got to say. Just wanted to bring my wife's, show everybody an update on my wife's appeals. Guys, don't forget, I'm getting ready to get the car fixed here in a month or so. If anybody wants to help with that, I'll put my PayPal link in the comments. It'd be great. I can use all the help I can. It's going to be about $300 or $400. So any help would be appreciated. Y'all take care. And go to Frontline Media, guys. He's an activist. He's been around for a while. He's only got a couple thousand subscribers. Guys, go over there and sub to him. Tell him I sent you. He does good work, guys. He's really good. He's got a lot of good content, guys. Go check him out. I don't know why he doesn't have as many subs. He's been around pretty much close to as long as I have doing it. So go check him out, sub to him, like his videos, watch them. They're good stuff. But other than that, guys, y'all be cool and get off here. Anybody has any questions or anything, let me know. Y'all take care.